Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these candy cane cat eye nails. So I have a fresh set of Gel X nails on. I am back to my long stiletto nails. Short nails didn't last very long. But the first color I'm going to use is Madam Glam's The Inventor Glitter. This is a really pretty, I feel like this gives like cookie gingerbread type of a creamy tan color. It's a good background for gingerbread nails. I feel like I've definitely used this for gingerbread nails in the past, and it has a slight hint of glitter in it. So I'm going to paint this on my two middle nails. Next, going in with Madam Glam's Fireside Embrace. This is one of their new ones. I believe this was from the Advent calendar. It is a beautiful, bright Christmas red shade. So I'm going to paint this on the rest of my nails. I'm going to do a second coat of that tan color. And then instead of going in with a second coat of that red, we're actually going to go in with our cat eye. This is Cozy Weather. This is one of their new releases from Madam Glam. I'll make sure to leave a link to that video down below. So I'm going to go ahead and paint a coat of the cat eye polish on top of all of the red nails. And then at the very end is when I'm going to take my magnet, and instead of giving it a traditional cat eye effect with the line down the center, I'm going to hover the magnet at the very tip of the nail. It just kind of activates the metallics or the magnets in the polish just a little bit. So hover it just a little bit till you see it kind of transition, because it kind of has that shift to it. And then I move on, do the next two nails, and then I cure that really quick. So this just gives it a really cool shift to the nails when you're looking at it. Next, going in with Madam Glam's white gel paint, we're going to do some candy cane stripes. So I go ahead and cleanse all of my nails, and taking a detailer brush and that white gel paint, I'm going to go in, create my candy cane stripes. So I'll be doing thicker stripes and then a thinner stripe to give it that candy cane vibe. And then right before you cure those candy cane stripes, you're going to take, this is Frosting Glitter from Maniology. This was from November's Mani X Me subscription box. I'll leave a link to that unboxing video down below as well. But it's a nice, pretty white iridescent glitter. So I'm going to take a old nail swatch, and I'm just going to scoop up the glitter, and I'm going to dump it onto the wet gel and then just tap off the extra. Now, I did do all of my nails at once with this effect. I would recommend doing one at a time and curing in between so you don't mess things up. Luckily, I did not have any mishaps, but It's definitely happened in the past to me, so be careful if you're doing all your nails at once. I would recommend doing one at a time and curing them. Then after the glitter is cured onto the nail, you can dust it off and you're left with this pretty sugared effect on the nail. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. I'll be using from Maniology the stamping polishes Cookie Crumbs and Marshmallow. Again, these were from the November Mani X Me box, as well as this gingerbread plate was from that box as well. So on my middle nail, I actually wanted to do one of the sayings, which does not have a background to layer with. Most of the images on this plate have a background and then you layer the stencil on top, but this one did not. So I just took the polish and I made my own like background for it. So I just kind of filled in some of the brown polish, and I did make sure to let that dry completely. So moving on to the next nail, we'll take one of the scattered gingerbread designs. We'll stamp down the cookie part first, and then we'll go over with the white as the icing. Then moving back to that middle nail, making sure it is fully cured, I can go in and stamp my saying right on top, and it gives it that same effect as the rest of the plate, where you kind of have that cookie base and then the icing writing on top. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. I did start by coating the stamping nails, and then I did decide to completely cover the candy cane stripes. If you want to leave them more 3D, I would do your cat eye polish, then do the top coat, and then do the candy cane stripes with the sugaring on top, and then leave it that way. But I don't always love a super rough nail, so I did go ahead and decide to top coat the whole thing. And you can still feel some texture to the nail, but it's just not quite as rough as just leaving the sugaring raw. So this is how my nails came out. I love the cat eye effect with the candy cane stripes. I knew when I got that cat eye polish in that I wanted to do candy cane stripes for it. It's like the perfect candy cane red shade, and I had seen someone, I don't know who I seen did it, but they had done the candy cane stripes with the cat eye. It just gives it a really cool, different effect, and then with the sugaring on top, it gives it a really cool, unique effect. And then I added the gingerbread nails as an accent. So you kind of have this candy cane wonderland type of theme going on here. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my Christmas tutorials. Make sure you're subscribed for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.